Okay, now we're going to do some sound boxes. You will need a piece of paper that has 4 sound boxes on it, and each box has 3 sounds in each word. Go ahead and write this up now, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. All right, so I'm going to do one sound box at a time. I like to do it where my sound box is a different color than the actual color of the box, so I can see it better. Okay, so remember, each box gets 1 sound. Not necessarily 1 letter, but 1 sound. Okay, the first word we're going to do is the word chin. This is my chin right here. Say chin. Say it slowly. Chin. Sometimes I like to do it on my arm. In. Chin. Okay, what's the first sound? Let's see. Let's push it with our finger first. In. Chin. Now I think I'm ready to write. What letter says ch? That's one of the ones with 2 letters. Ch. Like chair. Ch. I. Like igloo. Ch. In. What letter is it? Like nest. Chin. Yeah, we were right. Okay, next box. You go down 1 box, and I'm going to erase this one instead of going down. The next one that we are going to learn today is that. Say that. Say it slowly. That. That dog is short. That. Do it on your arms. At. That. Okay. Like the. Oh, I know that one. That's another one with 2 letters. TH like the. Why, we forgot to do the pushing, huh? At. That. Okay, now we're ready. Ah. That's right, like apple. At. You know the t. Let's see if we're right. That. Nice. Okay. Go ahead and go down to the next one. Our next word that we are going to learn is the word shop. I'd like to go to shop for new dresses. Shop. Let's say it slowly. Shop. On your arm. Shop. Shop. Okay, push it. Shop. Shop. Shh, like shh. That's another one with, oops, with 2 letters. Shh. Ah, ah. Octopus. Shop. Shop. Like popsicle. Shop. Nice, okay. Go ahead and move down to the next one. Our last word is then. First, I went to the store, then I bought some apples. Then, say it slow. Then, on your arm. And then, okay, here, let's push it. And then, like that, and that, and this. Aha! You know that one already. Like egg. Then. Notice I always go back and check it from the beginning to make sure it's right. Then. Okay, now you're much better at hearing sounds and words. That will help you in reading and writing.